Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Facebook login problem. If you are also facing the problem that you are not able to log in to your Facebook account, then follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video to solve this problem. But before that, make sure you are subscribed and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this regularly. So be sure that you are notified. So one of the things you can do is make sure that your Facebook app has been updated. Go to the Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see a update button on Facebook, then make sure that you update it. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs that arise in your system. Another thing you can do is tap and hold your Facebook app and go to the app info. Then from here you can clear the data and cache of the Facebook. This will help to clear any kind of unwanted data that is stored in your device which might be causing this kind of problem. Be sure to clear your data and the cache of your Facebook app. The next thing you can try out is try to uninstall the Facebook app and then reinstall it. Sometimes a simple solution like this can also fix this problem. And also try to restart your device, because sometimes restarting your device also helps you to solve this kind of minor problems. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's all for this video and I'll see you in the next one.